So you're creating a YouTube Kids show and you want to be on the YouTube Kids app. Well, I have good news and I have better news. The good news is YouTube is a video platform for a global audience. If you're uploading videos, they're not just being watched here in the United States where I reside. Canada, Mexico, neighboring islands like Jamaica, but across the globe. YouTube is a popular source for video content. There's a lot of great content being produced here in the United States because we have access to really incredible tools for lighting, photography, and sound. So we have audiences across the globe interested in our kids' content and kids' videos. I can't guarantee you'll get placed on the YouTube Kids app because that does have some barriers and it doesn't have a submission button right now. But what I can tell you is using international keywords and search terms that kids use in other countries will help get your video viewed, maybe go viral. You can build an audience anywhere on having a YouTube channel, and maybe even with a little bit of advertising support in the beginning, we can unlock that monetization option, and then you've built yourself a natural audience who will continue watching your videos for years to come. Thanks for watching today. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and be sure to walk away from your computer at least a few minutes every hour. Have a great day.